cheap DIY camera mount and Yeti microphone mount. I'm not sure what materials you'll have. The ready rod was easy enough to find, the appropriate nuts and bolts. I bought this tripod off Amazon a long time ago, and this thing just comes off, right? So I just went to, and I matched up the ready rod that would fit in there. Just goes in like that. So I was taking apart a bed frame, so I had a couple bed frame posts that kind of narrowed down at the bottom, which was nice for the grip. A board from, it was like a 1x6 by I think 4 foot, and I just cut it down to, I think it's about 18 inches. I don't have my tape measure handy. And then I'm an electrician, so I find that a lot of random materials from my trade I can use for other purposes, whether they're used for that or not. So I'm sure you can find the same kind of bracket. What do I got? One of these style. It's got one thin side and one longer side. So that's my Yeti base. Obviously they're not, but like, you can make them. I didn't even have a bit, so I just used like a tech screw with like a tapper on the end, and I went through the wood. I just made the hole big enough for the ready rod to fit through, and then you got your washer and your nut on both sides. Just screwed those legs on, put that Yeti on, screwed those down, my holes, bam, and then you boop, 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 boop. I don't know what kind of microphone you'd be using, but at least on my, these are transformer brackets. These are meant for transformers, for mounting. So my screw holes obviously are going to be not on the outside of my frame. So you got to take that into consideration. Your stand won't fit in there properly. And then I'll just grab one of my other. So yeah, you got like, I'm gonna put a wash or a nut on there when I'm actually recording with it. I got my Yeti, it can go omnidirectional, it's got its alt settings, yada yada. And so I basically use scrap because I already had the ready rod here from another table mount I